My name is Jón Atli Jónasson, and I'm the writer of Odd Crimes, featuring Odd Strange, the Nordic private detective. The idea came from me sitting on a plane, and the pilot was on the intercom introducing himself, and his first name was John or Paul or something, but his last name was Strange, which is a Norwegian name, and basically you could pronounce it Strange or Strange. And then all of a sudden on that flight, Strange had acquired the first name, at least in my head, and now he's called Odd Strange. And for some reason, this small seed of an idea just refused to go out of my head and started growing. And to give you a bit of background, my mother is an actress in Iceland, and for the past 30 years or so, once a week she does like a variety show for blind people. And I've been there many times, and I have brought a lot of musicians and writers there to interact and entertain blind people. So I had a friend who died maybe 5 years ago, and he was raised by blind parents. And a lot of his experiences informed the origin story, if you will, of Odd Strange. He's raised by blind parents in Norway, and then he becomes a cop, moves to Hamburg with his wife and his young daughter, and by accident his wife kind of picks up the trail of a serial killer who works as a truck driver and drives around Northern Europe. I've always been fascinated by the Nordic or Scandinavian police detective, and my hope is that Odd Strange could be, or will be, hopefully, a fresh take on that genre. And I think the platform that you are offering is kind of the perfect thing, where you can kind of keep on developing the idea and kind of pitching it in a soft way to people and bouncing the idea around a little bit. I've always been super comfortable in that sense when it comes to at least my ideas. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I hope Odd sparks your interest. Thank you very much.